Nicolettes. Welcome back to my channel, or hello if you're new. You all know I love my beauty hacks. Your girl cannot get enough hacks. I thought I would do a whole video on DIY natural beauty hacks. So these are all things that you can literally make from your kitchen and use. It's everything from hacks that are going to help your hair, that's gonna help your skin, lashes, teeth, you name it, I got you covered. If you guys like it and maybe want a part 2 or want me to make more of these, thumbs it up. It really helps me out and lets me know that you want to see a part 2. If you have any questions or concerns, you can always catch me over on my socials, which is Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, and Facebook page. And thank you to everyone who has recently been joining my Instagram family. It means so much to me. A lot more of you have been joining over on there as well. Thank you so much, but I hope you guys enjoyed the video and let's just jump into it. The first DIY beauty hack is going to be a DIY makeup remover, and it's super simple. All you're going to need is aloe water and olive oil. Mix it together and put it into a little jar so that you can store it into your bathroom. So before I use it, I just shake the jar together and I take a cotton pad and rub it all over my face, and this works so well. It takes your makeup off completely. As you can see from my cotton pad, it has all my face makeup. It's really gentle on your skin. If you ever run out of makeup wipes, try this out. I just felt like it took off my makeup really well. Next, I'm going to share a DIY face mask that I really like. I just took a spoonful of plain Greek yogurt and threw in a few strawberries, squeezed fresh lemon on top of it, and as well as added a little bit of honey, and just mashed that all together in a bowl until it was more like a liquidy consistency. And then once I was done that, you just apply it to your clean face, of course avoiding the eyes. And this is really great because it's going to give you very bright, clean, and glowy skin. Each of these ingredients have really great benefits to the skin. It's really good for rejuvenating your skin. Keep it on for 10 minutes and then rinse it off with warm water, and then just go in and apply your normal moisturizer, and it's gonna make your skin feel so nice and clean and bright. Of course, we cannot forget a DIY spot treatment. So for this one, all you're going to need is 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel, and then you're going to put about 1 tablespoon of baking soda. Mix it all together until you get a paste consistency, and once you're done, you're going to apply it to any spots you may have on your face. Leave it there overnight and sleep with it. This is a really great spot treatment because it's going to really help speed up the healing of any acne or pimples you may have on your face. Now that we talked about pimples, we are going to move on to acne scarring. So I have a little DIY for you. All you're going to need is a bowl and add a little bit of nutmeg into it as well as some honey. Mix it together until it is a paste consistency. You're going to apply it onto the scarring, and you're going to leave it on for about 30 minutes before you rinse it off completely. Nutmeg and honey are really great because they both have really great properties and help to prevent infection, reduce swelling, and also may actually help new skin growth. So it's really going to help lighten your acne scarring. I did a whole video on how to remove a pimple and as well as a whole video on how to remove acne scars, so if you want more in-depth videos, I'll link those down below, but this is definitely a really great DIY to try out. Next, we're going to move on to a DIY eyelash and brow growth serum. So all you're going to need is vitamin E, castor oil, and aloe vera gel. So I just put 1 part vitamin E, 1 part castor oil, and 1 part of that aloe vera gel into a little mason jar. I just put it into this because you can use this obviously every single night. Of course, mix it all together, and once you do that, you have to take a clean mascara wand and apply it onto the brows and eyelashes before you go to bed every single night. And if you do this for around a month, you're really going to notice the difference because all 3 of these ingredients are really great when it comes to promoting your hair growth on your brows and your eyelashes. As you can see, I just applied it onto my top and my bottom lashes and as well onto my brows. So this is great if you want those thicker brows and you have sparse areas. Next, we're going to move on to a DIY lip stain. So all you're going to need is berries of your choice. I just used a variety of them, and you're going to mash that all up into a bowl. Once you're done mashing it all up, I just added a little bit of olive oil and then mixed it into the bowl, and this can be a really fun lip stain. I love lip stains because even when you're eating, they're not going to come off as much as like a lipstick, let's say. So all I did is I took a little brush and applied it onto my lips, and as you can tell, it definitely made my lips more red, more pink, which I really actually loved. I thought it just gave a nice little tint to the lips. And what I basically did is I just applied a few layers onto my lips, and then I rubbed it in with my finger, and it just made a stain, which I thought was really fun and cool. This next one is a DIY natural face mist. Instead of using those synthetic mists that you can buy at the store, all you're going to need is aloe vera gel and water. And you're going to fill it up into a spray bottle, shake it all up, apply it to your face. This is so refreshing. You can apply it after your makeup, you can apply it after your skincare routine, whenever you kind of just want to freshen up. And aloe is very soothing for the skin. This DIY is to help whiten those teeth naturally, so all you're going to need is coconut oil and turmeric powder. I just took about 1/4 of coconut oil, put it into a little mason jar, and then I poured about 2 tablespoons of the turmeric powder, and then I just mixed it all up. Make sure though you wait until it hardens. This is going to be an anti-inflammatory stain remover. You can use this for about 2 minutes just like you would regularly brush your teeth, and over time this is said to whiten your teeth, and it's really great to try because it's a lot more natural, like I said, than store-bought product. The taste isn't the greatest. I have to throw out an FYI. The taste is just not the greatest, but of course you're not swallowing it. You're just gonna spit it out and rinse your mouth after you're done. These last 2 hacks have to do with our hair. A little tip I have for you, if you add about 2 to 3 tablespoons of sea salt or even baking soda to any of your favorite natural shampoos, it's going to allow your roots to stay cleaner longer. So this is a really great DIY for greasy hair. If you're someone that has greasy hair very easily, definitely try this out next time that you wash your hair. It's just going to make sure that your hair stays non-greasy for longer. This last hack is for my redheads and brunettes. After you wash your hair, you can actually take cranberry juice and pour it onto your hair. This is going to boost your red and brown hairs. If you want more bolder results, leave it in for longer. It's just going to be temporary. But if you just want it to be a little bit more vibrant, try this out. That is all for the video. I hope you guys learned something new or you just liked it. Thumbs it up if you did want a part 2, as well as don't forget to follow me on my socials. I have Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, and Facebook page, Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, Facebook page. There's so many out there now. Click that subscribe button so you're part of the family, because I do upload every Wednesday, Friday, and Sundays, and click that bell so you're notified every single time I upload, and so you don't miss an upload like this. But I hope you guys are having an amazing day, evening, or night whenever you're watching this, and I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye!